Hello viewers, myself Ash from Vaayusastra. So today we are going to talk about applications of drone. So let's get begin. So there are multiple uses of drones. Let's break down each. In first, agriculture, where we use drone to place seeds and also add some chemical on crops for their growth. And another application is healthcare in which we use drone to transport organ, blood and many more things in emergency situation. So next is tourism, where we use drones for video and photography, and lastly we use drone for security purposes too. So now let's move on to the another slide where we're gonna talk about how you can do business using drones. So there are multiple ways to earn money using drones. You can open a drone service center where you can repair drone and service them. Next idea is drone delivery service, where you can deliver food, grocery using drones. So you can also use drone in agriculture, where you can analyze crops, healthcare using thermal image and sensors. And next idea is construction area, where you can use drones for surveying sites, and you also do structural inspection in places like bridges, tower, pipelines and many more. And lastly, you can organize a tournament where you will do a drone race.